have a more personal answer to the question. Which question he is asking about? I have more personal answer to the question. He is thinking the question that why people try to climb the this Mount Everest. This question he is thinking. Why people is thinking to climb the Mount Everest, and he has some personal answer. And what are these answers? From my childhood, from his childhood, I have been attracted by mountains. So he is telling from his childhood he has been attracting to a mountain. Okay? बचपन से क्या था उसको माउंटेन से आकर्षित होता था. Okay? He has been attracted. Had been miserable. I had been miserable, lost when away from the mountains in the plain. So he is saying that I feel sad. What is the meaning of miserable? Yes. So he felt very sad when he was away from the mountains. When he was in the plain, when he used to be in the plain, he always become very sad. So very special type of feeling attached with him toward the mountain. Okay? माउंटेन से बहुत ही गहरा उसकी फीलिंग क्या थी, अटैच थी. Okay, he was mountains are nature at its best. So according to him, mountains are nature at its best. It is one of the best thing that nature have. Okay? जो भी नेचर में उनमें से क्या ये one of the best thing है ना. Their beauty and majesty pose a great challenge, and like many, okay? Yes, sir. So their beauty and majesty pose a great challenge. So it is a great challenge for all, and like many, औरों की तरह भी like many, I believe that mountains are a means of communication with God. These lines are very important. Okay? What he said? Mountains are the nature at its best. So he is saying that it is one of the best thing that nature have. And what else he said? Their beauty and majesty pose a great challenge. It poses a great challenge. It is a great challenge for all one. And like many means the thoughts औरों की तरह भी like many. He also used to think that I believe that mountains are means of communication with God. Means of communication with means of communication. Yes? Communion. Once having granted this, the question remains, why Everest? अब देखिए इस सवाल का तो जवाब मिल गया. Once having granted this means he was given the answer of this question, that why he have climbed, what is his own opinion. Now the next question is that why he has chosen Everest. ठीक है? Okay. Because it is the highest, the mightiest, and has defied many previous attempts. Okay, so the answer of this question, why he has chosen Mount Everest?
Sir, because it is highest and mightiest ताकतवर.
Because it is the mightiest
and defied many previous.
It is the highest and the mightiest
ताकतवर.
ounce of one's energy. It takes the last ounce. What is the meaning of ounce?
Ounce means ounce.
Rock and ice. It is very brutal. What is brutal?
Cruel.
Rock and ice. It was very brutal. बहुत ज़्यादा brutal था. Once you taken up, it cannot be given up halfway. Even when one's life is stake. What is saying that when you have started, जब आप एक बार start कर देते हो mountain climb करना, तो आपको फिर करना ही पड़ता है उसको. फिर आप उसको हाफ में छोड़ नहीं सकते, भले ही आपकी लाइफ डेंजर में क्यों ना हो.
सर क्यों?
Where it is? It cannot be given up. It cannot be given up halfway even when one's life is at stake. What is the meaning of stake? danger, at danger. Okay, at danger. ताव लगा होता है ना. Passenger bag is as difficult as the passage onward. The passenger bag. So he is saying the passenger bag. The same thing that I am saying. The passenger bag is as difficult.
The passage.
Okay. I thought that it was passenger. Means the person. Passage bag is as difficult as the passage onward. The same meaning is that passage means what? Going upward. Okay. The passage bag. Passage means the journey. Here the passage means what? Journey. Journey. Yes. What mark? As difficult as the passage of onwards. तो पीछे आना और difficult हो जाता है आगे बढ़ने से. तो क्यों ना आगे ही बढ़ा जाए? Okay? So why we should not move ahead or forward? So the journey of passage of back is more difficult as passage upward. Forward. And then when the summit is climbed, there is the exhilaration. What is exhilaration? Exciting. Okay. Exhilaration is what? Exciting. The sense of battle fought and won. So what happened when you reached at the summit? When you reached at the summit, what is summit? At the highest point. Then what happened? There is excitement. Okay. पहली चीज क्या होती है आपके अंदर? क्या होता है? Excitement होता है. The joy of having done something. खुशी होती है कि आपने कुछ किया. Okay. Keep these things in mind. First one is you have excitement, you have joy having done something. The sense of battle fought and won. And the third is the sense of battle fought and won. जैसे कि आपने कोई युद्ध लड़ा और आपने उस युद्ध को जीत लिया. तो ये तीन टाइप की चीजें नरेटर क्या करता है? टेलिंग अस. ओके. फर्स्ट वन इज exhilaration, that is joy, that is exciting, and the second is the joy of having done something. The joy of having done something. And next, the last one, the sense of the battle fought and won. Okay?
Yes.
The sense of the battle fought and won. Okay. There is a feeling of victory and happiness. And one more thing is that there is a feeling of victory and happiness. What is the meaning of victory? The feeling of victory and happiness. Okay. Glimpsing a peak in the distance. What is the meaning of glimpsing? Yes. Looking? No. Glimpsing, that is look. Okay. Looking. Glimpsing, that is looking. Okay. मतलब बहुत सारी चीजों को एक बार में देखना है. जैसे ग्लिम्स ऑफ द पास्ट था. ग्लिम्स ऑफ द पास्ट था तो हम क्या करते थे? बहुत सारी घटनाओं को एक साथ मतलब देख रहे थे. तो वैसे जब आप हाइट पे होते हो तो बहुत सारी चीजों का आपको व्यू दिख जाता है ना, एक साथ. तो दैट इज कॉल्ड ग्लिम्सिंग. Glimpsing a peak in the distance, I get transported to another world. Okay, so he is saying when I glimpse the movement from that summit, it was I am reaching to different world. He reached to different world. Okay, or another world. So he experiences a change within himself. So he experiences a change within himself. If I have said he, then I will say myself. If I will say I, then I will say myself. So I am saying he is experienced. I have not read it. I experienced. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So he experienced a change within himself. Okay? Which can only be called mystical. What is the meaning of mystical? He called mystical. It is spiritual. So he was feeling very spiritual when he at the top of the peak. By its beauty, aloofness, might, ruggedness, and the difficulties encountered on the way, the peak draws me to it as a Everest did.